Yeah, I'm gonna send you one now. It's hard. The videos don't focus too well, so that. Yeah. But yeah, the video likes to focus on the window and not on the actual outside. That's why. I know. I was so pissed. I thought the lightning was actually. Hey everybody. So the tow truck got stuck in the snow, and he's given up. That's him right over there. And it's only 9:30, so I think the storm hasn't even started officially yet. It's supposed to start at 10. And this is just the beginning, and it's looking pretty bad. So there's a lot of cars getting stuck at the intersection.